In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a specific cell in Google Sheets. This technique can be incredibly useful when you want to draw attention to important data or streamline navigation for anyone using your spreadsheet. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets document. If you haven't already, go ahead and fire up your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Once you're there, open the sheet you're working on, or create a new one if you're just practicing or setting things up for the first time. Having your document ready ensures that we can go through this process seamlessly. Now that your document is open, take a moment to locate the particular cell you want to link to. Click on it once. Selecting the cell is essential because we need to instruct Google Sheets about the specific location in your spreadsheet that should become accessible through a hyperlink. Once your chosen cell is clicked, perform a right-click directly on that cell. A menu of options will appear, which holds the key to getting that link. Navigating around Google Sheets might feel like second nature at this point, but remember, each menu option offers different functionalities, and right-clicking shows you everything you can do with a cell. In the menu that appears, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Get Link to this cell. This action is pivotal because it essentially copies a link that acts like a street address for your spreadsheet. It's the transit pass that lets you or any collaborator jump straight to the selected cell with ease. Now it's time to decide where this link should appear in your document. For our process, let's click on cell K1. Think of this as choosing the destination where you want to place that hyperlink that will guide users directly to your specified cell. With cell K1 selected, you will then paste the link. You can do this by right-clicking in cell K1 and choosing Paste from the drop-down menu, or by using the shortcut Command+V for Mac or Control+V for Windows. This pastes a clickable link into the cell. Hovering over it or clicking it will navigate straight to your target cell, making it a handy reference point or guide for anyone examining your spreadsheet. And as a final check, click on the link you just pasted to ensure it leads you to the exact cell you intended. It should take you to Sheet 1 and specifically highlight the cell labeled A6, confirming that your link successfully navigates users to the right spot. If everything is correct, congratulations. You've effectively created a navigation tool within your Google Sheets, enhancing both its utility and ease of use. That's it for today's tutorial. With these steps, linking to a cell in your Google Sheets is no mystery anymore. This simple feature can greatly enhance how you and others interact with your data, offering precision and efficiency.